Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy blockchain compliance with Chainalysis, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through deploying blockchain compliance using Chainalysis. First, ensure you have a Chainalysis account set up and ready to use. Log into your Chainalysis account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find the various compliance tools available. Select the Compliance tab from the main menu. Choose the specific compliance solution you want to deploy. Review the compliance requirements relevant to your organization. Configure the settings according to your business needs. Input the necessary information about your blockchain activities. Upload any required data or transaction history. Initiate the compliance process by clicking on the Deploy button. Monitor the progress of your deployment in the dashboard. Once deployment is complete, review the compliance reports generated. Take note of any alerts or flags raised during the process. Use the insights from these reports to adjust your compliance strategy as needed. Make sure to regularly check for updates and new features from Chainalysis. Stay informed about regulatory changes that may impact your compliance efforts. Utilize the support resources available through Chainalysis for further assistance. Following these steps will help you effectively deploy blockchain compliance with Chainalysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.